Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, my dear students, here we are going to start our day with a meaningful thought. Today's thought is, success is achieved and maintained by those who try and keep trying. Why I am saying this thought? Yes, because your internal tests are going to be started. So, today I am here with a revision for the same. So, now get ready to make revision and writing part with me. First of all, everyone sit straight. Very good. So, do you have your book, pencil, pen, everything with you? Very good. Write today's date and day here. Today we are going to make revision of the following. Before we start, let me inform you that for internal exams, you have to prepare chapter 1 to 6, where you have addition, subtraction, number names, between numbers and tables 1 to 5. Among these, today we are going to make revision of the following. Write the heading ADD add, THE the, FOLLOWING following, add the following. Ready everyone? Very good. Write the sum 6 plus 3. Done everyone? I am waiting and detecting very slowly so that all the students can copy with me. First of all, here we have number 6 plus 3. So, let's see what is the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3, we get number 9. Everyone, write down number 9. Done? Very good. Here is your next sum, 9 plus 5. So, in one box, write down number 9 plus 5. How can we count the sum? Let's see. These are 9 fingers. Plus, we have to add 5 more to it. Let's do it. 5. Now, exactly when we are making addition, what we have to do? We have to find out the total of given numbers. So, here we have 9 and 5. So, let's find out the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So, what does it means by? It means 9 plus 5 we get number 14. While you are writing the answer, make sure that you have to write number 1 in the one box, when number 4 in the another box. So, 9 plus 5 we get 14. This is the way you can count the sums very easily. So, we have completed 2 sums. First one is 6 plus 3 and the answer is number 9. After that, 9 plus 5 we get number 14. So, my dear tiny students, you all are writing with me? Okay. Wants to write some more sums? Yes. Our next sum is 5 plus 5. Everyone copy the sum 5 plus 5. Now let's see how can we count it. Look at your hand. You are having 5 fingers like this in your hand, am I right? So here is the first 5 plus we have to add 5 more to it. Let's do it. Now see what will be the total. To know the answer we have to count all the given fingers together. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 we get 10. Everyone copy the answer in your book. 5 plus 5 we get 10. You can take the help of your hands like this so that you can count the sums very easily. Okay? So is everyone is writing with me? Tell me how many sums we have completed. Who know that? Here we have completed the 3 sums. First one was 6 plus 3. The answer was 9. If anyone is lacking, if anyone has not completed their work, again I am going to detect. The first sum was 6 plus 3 and the answer was 9. Second one was 9 plus 5 and the answer was 14. This is the third sum, 5 plus 5. The answer is 10. This is the next sum, 6 plus 5. So, how can we count? 6 plus 5. Here is the 6 fingers plus 5. Look at here everybody and count with me. Tell me how can we count this? How can we find the answer? To get the answer we have to make total of these 2 sets of fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. The total is 11. Everyone copy the answer properly. 1, 1, 11. The answer is 11. 6 plus 5 we get number 11. Okay? Is everyone completed? Very good. Write down the next sum, which is 6, 7, 67 plus 2. Look my dear students, here we are having 2 numbers, 6, 7, 67. So, you have to keep one thing in your mind, that first of all write down number 6 in the place of tens. When number 7, you have to write it ones place. This is the addition of double digit with single digit. 67 plus 2. Make sure that you have to write number 2 at ones place, just below number 7. Okay? So, all my dear students, have you completed? Now, tell me, as this is our revision, who remembers how to solve double digit sums? Is anyone remind? If I want to solve this sum, how can we solve this? Keep one thing in your mind, my dear students, that when we are making this type of sums, first of all, we have to start our counting from ones column. From where? From ones column. Avoid this column for a while. First of all, we are going to count ones column. There is 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. Here we are going to count the total. What is the total of 7 plus 2? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 7 plus 2 we get 9. Hence, we have completed the counting of ones place. Now move towards tens place. Here number 6 is alone. We don't have any number here. So what should we do? We should write the same number at there. So here we have to write number 6. Here is our answer 69. Everyone copy the answer properly in your book. 67 plus 2 we get 69. Okay. You all are writing with me, na? You all are enjoying. You all are trying to count like this. If you remember, I taught you one more trick. Counting with fingertips. If you remember that trick, you can count the sums very easily. So, everyone, I hope now you all have completed your written part. 67 plus 2 we get 69. Next one is 35 plus 3. Everyone write down number 35. Write number 3 at tens place, 5 at ones place. 35 plus 3. Make sure that you have to write 3 at ones place. Okay? So now, this is the time to count the sum. Now tell me, how can we count? Should I count this column first or this column first? Who remembers that? Which column should we count first, my dear? We have to count the ones column first. There is 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. Okay? Here we are going to make the calculation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 we get 8. Everyone write down number 8 at ones place. Done everyone? Now move towards tens column. See, here number 3 is alone. Is there any number below number 3? No. So what should we do? We have to write the same number 3. Our answer is 3, 8, 38. Everyone copy the answer properly in your notebook. 3, 8, 38. 35 plus 3 is equal to 38. I hope all my dear tiny students are writing with me and everyone has completed the revision properly. Okay? Write down the next sum. 606t plus 2020. Sum is 606t plus 2020. What's new in these sums? Look at that properly, observe it properly and tell me. Yes, this is the addition of double digit numbers. We have double digit numbers at both places. First, we make addition of single digit. Afterwards, single digit with double digit. And now, this is the time to learn the addition of double digit numbers. Here we have double digit number at both places. Okay? So, now I hope that everyone has copied the question in their book. We are going to make solution. Look, here at ones place we have a 0. So 0 plus 0 we get 0. Everyone copy the answer in your notebook. 0 plus 0 we get 0. Okay. After completing the counting of ones place, we are going to start counting of tens place. There is 6 plus 2. Here we are going to solve it. 6 plus 2. Let's see what will be the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2 we get 8. So 8080 will be the answer. We can say that 60 plus 20 is equal to 80. Again I want to repeat, my dear students, that whenever we are going to make addition of double digit numbers, we have to start from ones column. Afterwards, we have to move towards tens column. Okay. Copy the next question. 37 plus 42. 37 plus 42. Is everyone completed the question? Tell me, how can we solve this? What should I do? Should I start from this side or this side? Think in your mind for a while, my dear students. From where should we start? From this column or this column? We have to start from this side, which is ones column. 7 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 7 plus 2 we get 9. Here we have completed the counting of ones column. Now move towards tens column. There is 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 3 plus 4 we get 7. 79 is our answer. 37 plus 42 we get 79. Everyone, I am waiting for you so that each and everyone can copy the sum properly in their book. 37 plus 42. We get the answer 79. Okay, everyone? Ready to write the next sum? 5050 plus 1010. Next one is 5050 plus 1010. Done, everyone? Now I am giving you some time so that you can solve it by yourself. Tell me, how can we solve this? You all try to solve the sum by yourself. I am waiting. Afterwards, I'll solve it so that you can compare your answer with my answer. Is it okay or not? Our sum is 5050 plus 1010. Now I think each and everyone has completed their calculation. Here we are going to start making solution. 0 plus 0, we get 0. Afterward, move towards tens column. 5 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1, we get 6. Everyone note down the answer. 5050 plus 1010, we get 6060. Is everyone completed? I hope now everyone has completed. Now compare your answer. Whose answers are right? Who has written the proper answer? Tell me. I think each and everyone has completed the work properly and answers of all the students are correct. If not, then make it correct. Okay? Next sum is 3030 plus 6060. Write down the sum. 3030 plus 6060. Here we have 0 plus 0. We get 0. If we are making addition of a 0 with 0 at the end, we get a 0. Okay, my dear? Now 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6. Now you start counting and tell me what will be the answer. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 6, there will be 9. 9090 is the answer. 30 plus 60, we get 90. Okay? Is everyone completed? Very good. Next one is 44 plus 20. 44 plus 20. Here at ones place, we have 4 plus 0. What is it? 4 plus 0. So let me remind you, my dear students, whenever we are going to make addition of a 0 with any of number, at the end we get the same number as an answer. So 4 plus 0, we get 4. Everyone write down number 4 in your notebook. Now move towards tens column. There is 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. See what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2, we get number 6. So look at the board, look at the screen. What is the answer? Our answer is 6464. 44 plus 20, we get 64. So tell me, my dear tiny students, you all are writing, enjoying? Very good. Addition is very easy, na? And you all are enjoying to make addition. Okay? The next sum is 5353 plus 14. sum is 53 plus 14. First of all, we are going to make solution of 1's column, that is 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4, we get 7. Is the sum over? Should we move to solve the next sum, or is there anything remaining? Look at the screen. What is remaining? There remains the solution of 10's column, that is 5 plus 1. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 5 plus 1, we get 6. 53 plus 14, we get 6, 7, 67. Okay? My dear students, here we have completed the revision of addition. Now, we also have tables 1 to 5 in our syllabus. So, among these tables, today we are going to make revision of table of 5. So, you all are ready to write the table of 5? Very good. Write the heading, table of 5. Make sure that you have to write the table on a new page. And yes, of course, you all have to recite the table with me, huh? TABLE, table of 5. In doubt solving session, many of the students told me that they like to revise the tables with me. And yes, of course, I am happy to hear that. So, you all are ready. Here we are going to start the table. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. So, you all are enjoying? Complete the table. Very good. Tell me how many tables you have remembered. Huh? As per my knowledge, we have completed 7 tables. Till now, in our syllabus, we have only 1 to 5 tables. After completing this test, we are going to start the next tables in a new session. Okay? So, today you are having your internal exams of mathematics. Till now, you have completed the exam of English. So, a very large best of luck to all my dear tiny students for today's exam. Make the revision properly, and I hope you all become very successful in your life. So, my dear students, at your home, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. Thank you very much, and bye-bye everyone.